I have a swan candy.
I have a parrot candy.
I have 2 oranges.
This is a fruit. Go get candy.
Look, we can eat this candy.
Just wait. I'll get candy made. Uncle, can you make candy for me in exchange for this orange?
Okay, kid, you support me?
Yeah, Uncle, I like your videos.
Try your luck here. Whatever comes, I will make it for you. Okay, I'll make a peacock candy for you. Don't worry, kid. I'll make it for free because you support me. If you also want to get candy made, then like and subscribe and tell in the comment which candy you want to get made. After some hard work, the peacock candy is ready. Here is your peacock candy.
Thanks, Uncle. Look, I have a peacock candy.
Wow, this is a great candy.
Now you can play with us.